Have you heard cases where car owners spent thousands on PPF, but when it was removed, the paint came off too? It's more common than you think, but the reasons are often overlooked. The first reason is poor film quality. Cheap films use glue that's too strong, and over time it reacts with the paint. It can seep into micropores in the paint, so when you pull the film, the paint gets torn off too. Also, poor quality films lack flexibility. They break during removal, and stuck fragments pull off the paint with them. The second reason is poor installation work. If the paint wasn't cleaned properly, leftover grease or dust creates uneven adhesion. When you remove the film, these spots act like superglue, ripping off the paint. Overstretching or mishandling corners creates hooks that tear the paint when the film is pulled off, and trapped air bubbles during application cause separation, making it easy to peel paint during removal. So if PPF is poorly chosen or installed, it won't just fail to protect. It could cause bigger damage. If you're worried about PPF damaging your paint, reach out to us, let's discuss your needs, and make paint protection worry-free. We can help tailor the right plan for your car and driving conditions, so you get real protection without hidden risks.